Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Malachi, and today we're going to be doing some experiments. Ta-da! Experiment right into it. First we have a beaker with water, and you are going to be needing something to act as a volcano. And the first color we're going to use is red. First, we're going to add a few drops of color into the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after we add a few drops to the water, we are going to mix color in the water. Then we're going to add the baking soda. And we're going to have to be very careful with this. Now we're going to pour the baking soda in the volcano. Then we're going to add the citric acid. I'll make you take a look. It looks like salt. Last, you're going to add the colored water. Woo! Wow, that looks very cool, didn't it? On to our second experiment. Add your vinegar. And add a few drops of your color, and I'm going to be using blue and red. Then we're going to add the baking soda. Are you ready?
Watch out.
Watch out. Whoa! That's amazing. It's better than the first one, isn't it? Look at it. Wow. Next experiment, we're going to be using all 4 colors. First, I'm going to use yellow. Next, I'm gonna use green. Now, last but not least, I'm gonna use blue. Okay. Are you ready? In 3, 2, I want to touch it. Brother,
Yeah.
come feel this. My brother gonna come in and feel it. Come. If you feel it.
Oh, it's so cool. It's so satisfying.
Yeah. It is. It's a really.
This few more.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for more science videos.